Hello Excel learners, today we are going to learn how to perform regression analysis with categorical variables. So today's dataset will be to predict daily production process cost based on priority, customer satisfaction, production team required time to assemble the product. Here we have a priority and customer satisfaction, which are categorical variables in ordinal type, and our production team is a nominal. So what is ordinal categorical variable? Ordinal categorical variables have a ranking system or hierarchy, like a high, medium, low. Also like the customer satisfaction, which we keep like 4 stars, 5 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars. It's a hierarchy and a ranking system. But for the nominal categorical variable, though these don't have a ranking system, like team A, team B, team C, it's not ranked. Like another example, like red, green, yellow colors, the colors don't have any ranking system as well. So if the categorical variable doesn't have any ranking system in it, then it's a nominal. If it has a ranking system, then it's ordinal. So to perform a regression analysis with these categorical variables, so we need to first transform it to numerical variables. So how do I do it? So in order to transform our categorical variables, we have to do separately for ordinal and our nominal categorical variables. So we'll first transform our ordinal variable, the priority. So let's insert a column here, give the name priority. We'll use an if statement or function here to rank our low, high and medium. We'll rank low with 1, high with 3 and medium with 2. So if our A2 equals low, then give 1. If our A2 is medium, then give 2, otherwise give 3. Close the brackets and hit enter and drag it down. So here you can see that medium has 2, low has 1, and for the high it has 3. Same with the customer satisfaction. Here I have already done it for you. You can see here the stars are replaced with a if nested if function. 5 stars are given 5, 4 stars are given 4, 3 as 3, and 2 stars are 2, and 1 stars are 1. So similarly we have to do the same for the customer satisfaction, that is the ordinal. For now, for the nominal categorical variable, we have to use dummy variables with a binary, that is a 0 and 1. So in reference to 1, we need to see how many categorical variables are there in the nominal. We can see there are A, B and C. So we have 3 categorical variables values in our nominal variable. So we need to have dummy variables here. So we need to have n minus 1 dummy variables, that is n is the number of categories in the nominal variables. So here our categories are 3, A, B and C. So we'll use 2 categorical variables, that is 3 minus 1, that is n minus 1 equals 2. That's why we are going to use 2 dummy variables here. Which team isn't used, that is the reference team. If we give here team A and B for dummy variables, team C will be our reference. So we'll type here team A, we'll insert another column, give team B. So we have a team A and team B. For the team C, I will explain how to capture the team C. Let's first insert some functions here for the dummy variables. If our E2 is team A, then it's 1, otherwise 0. For the dummy variables, we need to use a binary data, that is 1 and 0. Drag it down see, if it's a then 1, otherwise it's 0. Let's do the same thing for the team B. If our E2 equals team B, then missed an quotation here, give us 1, otherwise 0. Close the bracket, hit enter, and drag it down also. So you can see, if it is a team A, it will give only 1 here and 0 here. If it's a team C, both of them will give 0, and if it's 1, then it will give team B. So that's how you reference the other variable that is not a given here, like the team C, which I have not created a column here for variable. So if the team A and team B is 0, it indicates a team C. So we have transformed our data. Now we have to take them in a separate sheet. You can see I have reordered the variables here, the transport variables here, the priority here, the customer satisfaction here, the teams here, and the required time to assemble the product, and the daily production process cost. Now we will perform the regression analysis. Go to the data tab, data analysis, regression. We will input our Y from here, Ctrl Shift down, input the X as well, from here to here, Ctrl Shift down. We have given our levels, that's why we will give levels, 95% confidence interval. Our output range will be here. Now click OK. So here we have all our regression stats, the R square values, which is a 5.3, a good number. We also have the intercept here, all the coefficients for our independent variables and their respective p values here, the F statistics here, and the significance of the F statistics. So that's how you need to do a regression analysis with categorical variables in Excel. You need to first transform your categorical variables. If it's ordinal, then replace with the ranking system numbers. If it's nominal, then replace or transform it with the dummy variables and follow n-1 rule, and that's how you do categorical variable regression analysis. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.